So basically, I have come here by seeing my big brother's class 10 results. Not only tuition, it has been become a part of his life. Hi, my name is Shreya Shareen. I am 10th grade student. So basically, I have come here by seeing my big brother's class 10 results. He has been joined before 3 years or something. He was a class 10 student and he has choose interval. So it was his first time selecting a tuition for himself. So basically he chose interval. So yeah, he got really good marks and he was so happy, and his tutors and all were so supporting. And yeah, by seeing that, I have also chose class 10 classroom foundation course. Yeah, inshallah, looking for upcoming board good marks. And yeah, this is my small brother. He has also chose interval as his tuition. Not only tuition, it has been become a part of his life, because it's not only from tuition. He has seeing this as a interactive time. So his tutor was Rahina ma'am. We are so happy for that. We got a really good tutor and all. And yeah, we are so happy. So basically, till joining interval, to be honest, he wasn't able to write. He used to tell every letters and all, but he wasn't able to write even in the school or in our house. But mashallah, after joining class interval, we didn't expect this much, to be honest. Okay, because something he can do in school, he can do in online tuition, means that's so great for us. And yeah, he learned a lot from tuition, and he used to start writing, he used to start interacting, and yeah, that's it. We are so proud for that. Thanks.